What's up, mi gente? Today we're going to be making some Arroz Imperial. Follow along. First, we're going to start by boiling our chicken breasts. And then we are going to be adding some chicken bouillon and some sazon for color. Allow it to boil for about 30 minutes, and then your chicken breasts should be looking like this. Once they are completely cooked, we're going to be taking them out and putting them onto our pan. And now that we've taken all our chicken breasts out, let's use that chicken stock so that we can start cooking our rice. I'm going to be adding that chicken stock onto some boiled water and then adding on my yellow rice to cook. Another packet of sazon for seasoning and for extra color, and some olive oil. And allow this to cook with some sweet peas. I used 2 cans for the amount of the tray that I used. And then now it's time to shred our chicken. Now let's check on our rice. Look at those sweet peas sitting on there just perfectly. Every single grain is separated from each other. We made the perfect rice. Now give it a really good stir. Make sure that all of those sweet peas are well incorporated into the rice before we take it out of here. Now it's time to pour all our rice onto our shredded chicken pan. Remember to distribute evenly. And now that we've poured out all our rice and we've mixed up together the shredded chicken evenly throughout our rice and peas, it's time to add the mayonnaise. I only added a very thin layer. Usually it's 2 layers of mayonnaise. You put as much as you'd like. And then now we'll be moving on to our mozzarella cheese. You guys know that I love cheese, so I went really heavy on that cheese coat. And now it's time to place in the oven at 350 degrees. And after baking for 20 minutes at 350 degrees, it should be looking like this. Now we are going to set the broiler on high for 2 minutes, and it's gonna give this cheese a nice crust. Now it's time to dig in. Look at this cheese, perfectly cooked. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.